with DJ Designs, and I today want to show you what I've been doing with my Xtool P2S. I've been really getting into acrylic. I really like the look of the acrylic designs, and I did some kind of background with the acrylic. I was so fascinated by it. But the acrylic that I like to use is called cast acrylic, okay? And I looked that up to see what it was, and cast acrylic is acrylic that's made from a mold, and it's stronger, it's scratch resistant, and it's definitely the preference when you're doing laser cutting. So next time someone sees your earrings and they say, oh, this is plastic, it's more than just plastic, it's cast acrylic. It's very strong and it's scratch proof, okay? All right, these are some of the designs that I had made with my laser cutter, the P2S. I like the P2S because it does not limit me to the colors and the types of acrylic that I can cut. As you can see, these are some of the designs I did, and all of these designs are on my Go Imagine site. I did put the designs on before I did the video, so they are available. But it is very simplistic. It looks very minimalistic, if you may. And what I like about it, I don't have to paint the sides, I don't have to put fabric, I don't have to paint the earrings or try to embellish them. But mostly I do like to use these pinch bell clips, okay? And I am running low. I need to get some more of these pinch bell clips. As you may know from the other videos that I've been doing, I use this a lot, okay? All right, as you can see, this is a good one. This is a really good one. It's a plain zigzag design, very minimalistic, and I'm sure these are gonna sell very well in my vendor shows, okay? This one I didn't use, but because it is kind of fancy, I just wanted to try something different, okay? So basically all you need to do, and I'm gonna try the gold one with this African lady. I really like this design. And you know, like I said, all you have to do is just pinch it on and take one of your hardwares, which I chose gold with this one. I thought that black and gold would really pop, okay? And just hook it on. The only thing about these pinch bell clips, it does not come with the earring wire, so you have to add the earring wire to this, okay? Look at that, perfect, okay? All right, I am going to cut some more of these earrings, and I'll show you all the finished products, and I'll put them on my model so that you can see. And like I said, it is going to be on my Go Imagine site. All of these earrings are available. If you have a laser cutter, especially if you have a CO2 cutter, this is a very, very good thing to add to your earring collection, okay? Okay, I put the earring hardware on, and it was kind of hard to choose if I wanted to do a silver tone or a gold tone, but this is how they all came out. I really do like, oh, and I forgot to mention, I did get my black acrylic surprisingly on Amazon. They're 12 by 18 sheets, and the quality is unbelievable. I can put a link in the description, but I did get them during the Prime Days they had. I lucked up. There was 4 big 18 by 12 sheets for $19.99. I'm not sure what they are now, but I can probably get about 12 pairs of earrings on each sheet. Really do like that. And the glitter I did get from Hobby Lobby. I believe they're like $5.99 a sheet. The sheet is a little smaller, but look at the quality. Very nice. I really like that. Okay. All right. Like I said, these designs will be available on my Go Imagine site. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and please like the video. And I'll see you in the next video.